Hello guys, welcome to my Admin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox Error Code 533. Your privacy settings prevent you from joining this server. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox and the error code you get on the screen is 533, then I will show you simple method to resolve these issues. First of all, you need to open your browser and log into roblox.com. After that, you just need to click on the settings. Click on settings. In left section you can see here privacy. Just click on the privacy. Scroll down a little bit. You can see here account restrictions. You have to make sure this option is disabled. If this option is enabled, you just need to disable this option. After that, just click on this parental control. You have to make sure this parent pin is disabled. After that, here you can see you need to select 13 plus suitable for ages 13 and older. You need to select this option. After selecting this option, close this window, and once you need to reboot your laptop or desktop. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. Still you are facing the issue, then I will show you some of the other steps. You just need to click on start menu, then type here Roblox. You just need to click on Roblox player launch.exe. Just right click on that and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and it will install and reconnect your Roblox. If some files are missing, it will be reinstalled. After that, still you are facing the issue, then you just need to click on start menu, click on settings, click on network and internet, click on VPN. If VPN is enabled, you have to make sure this is disabled. After that, click on systems again, scroll down a little bit, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see your internet connection. You just need to run the troubleshoot of internet connection. After that, it will detect is there any with your internet connection. If there is an issue, it will resolve automatically. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox error code 533. Your privacy settings prevent you from joining this server. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.